Hi guys, so I'm going to get straight into the action today. Today we've got some products here from a company called ePots, and I've spoken to the guy from ePots, Mike, and he's given me some these products here. So I'm going to do a quick unboxing video and a quick little bit about each item. This one is a paper pot maker from ePots. So I'll leave a link to both items in my description. And then we have these, which are 100 8cm round biodegradable paper pots. So let's start with the pot maker. So let's just move the camera down a little. There we go. So we will open the pot maker like this. I think we're better to open it from the other side. There we go. So we have, this is the bottom part of the paper pot maker, and then we have the top part, which is there. We have a lovely little logo there for ePots. It's very nice. There's a little indent in there. That goes into there, like so. And I'll show you this, just to emphasise that the packaging is all cardboard. There is no plastic in there. So a little bit about this item. It's a paper pot maker. You recycle your old paper into starter pots for your seeds, seedlings and cuttings. It's easy to use, just roll and press, no glue or staples required. So I will do a review on this item, which will give us more of a sort of in-depth, and I'll do a bit of a tutorial on how to actually use the item. But as you can see, that is the ePots paper pot maker, and I will leave a link in the description to the Amazon item. So then we have paper pots. I'll try and get a better view there for you guys. So I'll just show you this. So it says on here, easy and convenient to use, just fill with compost, add seeds, plants and keep watered. Happy, healthy, strong plants. No repotting, minimal root disturbance. Just plant a whole pot into the ground or larger pot. No plastic, no landfill. Made from environmentally friendly recycled paper pulp. And it's perfect for seeds, seedlings, cuttings and plug plants. They are obviously biodegradable, which it says just here. Right, so we will open this. This is how I received these items. I received them in a bigger box, but here we go. And as we can see, there is no plastic in here. These are just as they come, just like this. No plastic included in the boxes. There was 100 pots in here, and also show how easy they are to remove and pull apart. I will actually show you something. These are some smaller pots that I got from a pound shop. And I'm not exaggerating that. That is really hard to pull a single pot out. And then just put my finger through the bottom of that one. This was obviously one of the cheap ones. So a bit of a comparison there. These are obviously a lot easier to remove, like so. You can see they are a lot more, they're quite robust for paper pots. as I say, they are made from paper pulp. E-Pots will have other items coming out in the near future, and I'll also do unboxing videos and reviews on those items too. But there we go, that is a quick unboxing on the E-Pots range that I have been sent out. As I say, everything is cardboard, so it's easy to you can just take the box and compost it after you have used it. Even the label there is paper. No sellotape or anything on the box, so it's really easy. Just use your pots, put your stuff in them, and away you go. And then after you're finished with the box, it can be repurposed or even recycled into your compost. So yeah guys, happy gardening, and I hope that you all have a lovely day. As I say, please do go and check these items out on Amazon. I will leave the links in the description down below. Please do also like, comment and subscribe. Yeah, we will be doing quite a few stuff from E-Pots because there's a new partnership with E-Pots on the channel. So there we go guys, thanks very much, and I shall see you all in the next video. And don't forget, I will be doing a review on the paper pot maker soon, which is also a really great item to buy somebody who's into gardening for a birthday or Christmas. Obviously with Christmas coming up, it would be a really great Christmas present. So yeah, other than that guys, as I said before, please do like, comment and subscribe. Please do check out my social media, my Instagram, my Facebook page and my Twitter, and obviously do subscribe to my YouTube. Thank you very much, and I shall see you all in the next video.